up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is about flying drones in the snow and taking my kids sledding. So yesterday it was snowing here in Texas. If you guys joined in the live, you saw. But yeah, I took my kids about 20-30 minutes west and we found a good amount of snow. And we was sledding and I was flying my drones. So first in the video is my Chimera. I flew for a minute or two and I tried to do a trick and it messed up and I plopped it in the snow. I haven't plugged it in since, but you guys are going to see the footage here in just a minute. I'm not sure if it tore it up or not yet. I'm going to wait to plug it in until I know it's fully dry, because it plopped in the snow and when I ran up to it, it was still on and I just hurried up and unplugged it. So we'll see what happens with it. And then the second part of the footage is my DJI Mavic2Pro. All the kids were sledding on the hill and there was people making snowmans and everything, and the snow was coming down and I was flying my Mavic2Pro around. And yeah, it went great. I got some awesome footage. I love watching the snow come down as you're flying. It looks cool. But I had something I wanted to go over here with you guys for a minute. I need to ask a favor. I know a lot of you guys like watching my videos and want to see me make it. Well, in that last giveaway, I was only able to get 3 people to sign up for my Patreon. I really need you guys to sign up for my Patreon, even if you just do the basic membership. Once I get some of you guys on there, I'm going to start releasing all my videos to Patreon first, so you can watch them all on there commercial free. You won't ever have to deal with any commercials. I'm going to release all my videos there first. I might make some special features for the upper tiers, like flying with me or get a shout out on my channel or whatever. But yeah, I really need some of you guys to join my Patreon, you know, just in order to get me from where I'm at now, in order to get me to the next step. Like, I have no income, I can't fix any of my cars, I can't help take care of my family, I can't take care of feed my dogs. I mean, I have no income at all, guys. So I mean, I understand, but I'm also going to do a lot of giveaways on Patreon in the future. So there'll be a lot of good items given away there in the future. So it'll do 2 things. It'll give you access to the giveaways once I get there. And for now, it's to help me get from where I'm at, because I've been monetized for a month and I've only made $30. Like, it costs more to make the videos than that. So with everything I broke and stuff. So I mean, I just need you guys' support a little bit for a while until I get bigger and start getting more income coming in. But like, I just need you guys to sign up for my Patreon, and then that'll help me with income now while I'm small and keep me making videos until I can get a little bigger. And then I'm planning to remember all of you guys that looked out for me now and got me through this hard time with a little bit of income and stuff, so I can fix everything and keep making these videos. So if you guys would do that for me, I greatly appreciate it. I'm going to quit rambling, and I hope some of you guys will go and sign up for my Patreon. The link's going to be down in the description. And that's it. You know, I'm begging, I'm asking for you guys to please help me get to the next step. And everybody that looks out for me now, I'll remember it down the road, and good things will come your way. You know, like I said, I do plan to do a lot of giveaways, custom built trucks and just, you know, epic fly days. And I plan to do a lot with this channel, but I need you guys' help to get from the step I'm at now to have a little income to get into the next step where I'll be making it plenty well and I'll be able to give a lot back to the community. So I'm dedicated, guys. I'm dedicated, but I got to have you guys' help to get there. Without you guys' supporting me and stuff, you know, there's no telling. I'm not going to be able to make it with no income. We're just not. My wife's income by itself ain't enough to take care of this whole household. So hopefully you guys understand where I'm coming from. I love you guys. I appreciate every one of you. And subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Roll the footage.
just say you don't understand how I play. I am on my way to win you over and over, yeah. Oh, you can hear my voice in your head, and you wanna hear it again. So I'll play it on. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me. Better see you later. I'm about to blow this. Better see you later. See you later. I'm better see you later. I'm about to blow this. Better see you later. See you later. I'm better see you later. I'm about to blow this. Better see you later. See you later. I'm better see you later. I'm about to blow this. Better see you later. See you later. I'm better see you later. I'm about to blow this. Yeah. All I wanna do is just say you don't understand how I play. I am on my way to win you over and over, yeah.